Yung team up nyo ni Andrea, yun nga, hindi lang dito tanggap, pati dun sa ibang lugar, ibang culture pa, ibang bansa pa. Pero, bakit ganun? Ba't hindi natuloy sa totoo? Kung click na click kayo, maganda yung chemistry nyo, binibili ng mga tao.
Actually, sinasabi ko nga lagi sa mga tao ngayon, especially Andrea and I have been together for 2.5 years working together. First love team, first lead role with her also. So, ang dami namin nadaanan. And now, what I usually tell people, and this is the truth, okay? So, personally, Andrea is a very, very, very good friend. Someone I can really talk to. At work though, one of my best friends. Siguro nasa top 2, top 3 siya. But on TV, love of my life. So, yun yung categories namin. And I guess, it just worked out that way. Wala lang, wala naman kaming inayaw. It just didn't happen. Pero the thing is, we've remained such good friends.
Pero hindi talaga, walang na, pwede to ah. Baka,
I guess,
wala bang naging, attempt?
I guess, yung napag-usapan namin dati, pero gusto ko yun na pinagtangkaan.
Oo, pinagtangkaan.
I think we were always just very focused on our work. Kasi yun yung yun yung chemistry namin nung una. Siyempre, nung first time namin magkita, hindi naman namin kilala yung isa't isa. Pero yung chemistry namin was that we were both focused on work. Alam ko, kitang-kita ko sa mata niya na gusto niyang galingan sa project. And I'm sure nakita niya sa mata ko na gusto ko rin galingan yung project na to. So I think it was really, yun yung common ground namin. Na gusto namin galingan dito. Magtutulungan kami para gumaling ang isa't isa. And from there, I guess dun lumabas yung friendship. And I guess walang romantic spark na lumabas dun. Pero a very sincere friendship, definitely.
Hindi kaya hindi nagkaroon ng spark, hindi nagkatuluyan kasi you eyes for another, syempre another woman na, yun nga, inanggaan
Posible. Posible naman.
At saka, tutandaan din na tayo.
Ako naman, mahilig naman sa worldly women.
In all those 4 years, di ba, you've had your share of, syempre, mga intriga. Paano hinandle yun? Paano mo na...
Well, I think the people, yung friends ko and Mercator at that time,